Congratulations, you've inherited the family vacation home. And so did they. If you have a shared place, you know it can be a great getaway, a source of relaxation and reconnection, but it can also be a headache if you don't get it organized. Misplaced documents, learning about, then telling people how to maintain the place over and over again. Does any of this sound familiar? Lost to-dos and maintenance notes, double-booked weekends, fairness arguments, group chat chaos. If you've experienced this, give OurSharedPlace a try. It's built for people who share a place they love. It's built for vacation homeowners, whether you rent it out to others or keep it for yourselves. It's built for co-owner groups and caretakers, and fractional owners. Here's how it works. You set up your property in a couple of minutes. You designate one or more people to be admins, and you invite members. There's a shared reservation calendar. Admins are in charge of it, but that role can rotate as often as you'd like. Everyone's notified according to their email preferences. Everyone can see the shared calendar. OurSharedPlace will even keep it in sync with Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendars. You can see everything visually on a single calendar view. OurSharedPlace has everything your home needs. A shared booking calendar, a shared to-do list, a shared financial tracker, there's a round-robin booking system that lets people pick the nights they'd like to stay. With this option, admins create a booking season and a queue, choosing the order and quotas. People get X number of days to make their choice, and OurSharedPlace runs the process automatically. It's a single place to keep your home organized. You get a booking calendar, a private content management system for house rules, a way to implement quotas and fairness, a place to keep vendor contacts and maintenance records, a shared message board with email notification, and a place to keep track of shared expenses. If you rent your place out, OurSharedPlace gives you a public booking page that you can turn on, a guest portal where your guests can get time-limited access to your house rules and other articles, and a way to sync your home's availability with marketplaces like VRBO, Airbnb, and common calendars. It's all just $99 per property per year. Give it a try at OurSharedPlace.com.